Why is the age of 30 too late for everything? My mom is 43 now. She married early at the age of 18. I was born when she was 19. I have heard that she was a bright student in her school and in her family. Everyone, including her, dreamt of she becoming a doctor. She wanted to study science and finally ended up in a marriage that too forced by her parents. My father promised to allow her to continue her education, but she failed to appear in the entrance rank list of toppers published in newspaper. So she joined for some random computer course and soon that too stopped as she conceived me. Lately my father and his parents asked her to discontinue studies and all her job offers came for her was rejected by the family. The reason was me. Then, after 3 years, my brother was born. Father insisted not to go for work until we grew up to manage ourselves. She waited not just 4 or 5 or 6, but 21 long years. When I graduated, she enrolled for her computer courses again. After 1 year, she joined the same institute as an instructor. I was really proud when once I saw a police officer rushing towards my mom while we were walking through the streets and introduced herself as my mom's student. From there, I found her working in various fields. She worked as temporary staff in government organization and now she is working in Norca. I have felt she is more confident than me. She is more strong. For her, age is just a number. She isn't afraid of anything in life. I have seen her as a student, a teacher, a political worker, a nature lover, a writer, an awardee, an office staff, a human rights worker, and so on and on and on. And more than everything, a responsible and loving mom. Proud of you, Amma. There are a lot more moms in the world like my Amma sacrificed all their dreams for children like me. I have expressed my gratitude to my Amma directly for all those she have done and she have left for me. Thanked her for making up me. This is a toast to all Wonder Women in this world.